Welcome to Solver Phi.
First, we are going to write the given data T is equal to 200 IB, mu s is equal to 0.21, D is equal to 2 IN. Now, drawing the free body diagram of the given system in the question and writing the all forces acting on this system to solve this numerical more easily. This distance is RF. Here P force is acting and this angle is phi s, and here it is T and here it is 200 IB. Now going further, this distance is 1.125 IN. From this free body diagram, we can go further and draw a free body diagram again, as I am drawing here, showing all the forces here. Here it is R, here it is phi s. Now, solving this problem, we can write friction angle is equal to phi s is equal to tan inverse mu s. On putting the value of mu s, we get phi s is equal to 11.86 degree. Now, radius of friction circle is equal to Rf. So, we know that Rf is equal to R sin phi s. So, R is d by 2, that is diameter by 2. So, putting the given value, we will get the value of Rf is equal to 0.2055 IN. On going further, we can take moment about point P. So, summation of MP is equal to 0. On writing the equation as I am writing here, and we will solve this equation to get the value. So 0.9195 T is equal to 266.1. On solving this, we get T is equal to 289.4 IB. Now going further, from equilibrium equation, we have summation of Fy is equal to 0. Now writing the equation and solving it, we will get R is equal to 489.4 IB. Now going further, we will write normal force developed on the collar. So N is equal to R cos phi s is equal to, on putting the value here, we will get N is equal to 489.4 cos 11.86 degree. So N is 478.95 IB. Now going further, friction force developed on collar is equal to F is equal to R sin phi s. So on putting the given data and calculated data, we get F is equal to 100.58 IB.